St. Joseph's Catholic.
Information officer, karibu. Yes, please. Minister of Agriculture is
Father Louis, St. Joseph's Catholic, religious sector.
Coming in, we also have a challenge of drug and substance abuse and many, many more. But therefore, as we plan and maybe allocate resources towards that area, we must look at the reproductive health for the youth. Because in the last 1 year, or rather 8 months, the data we have from the Children's Department and the Ministry of Education indicate that we have had slightly over 1,000 cases of early pregnancies. These are young girls between the ages of 12 and 18. It's actually very alarming. So my appeal to you as leaders in this county is that we need to focus, address now these challenges. We need to identify the causes, so that as parents we must take the responsibility. We are not going to leave this to the government and other agencies. Lazima mzazi achunge watoto wake.
Among the youth, a very serious problem of unemployment. So these are the issues we have been able to pick from Migori County, and they have been able to propose what they think are the solutions to these issues of concern. So we have picked the issues from Migori, and we are going to put them together with the issues from other counties, so that we develop now the national population policy. Once we are done with the national population policy, at a later point in time, we'll come back to each of the counties, including Migori, to be able to develop an action plan to be able to articulate and also deal with those issues that have been highlighted by the representatives of Migori County.
I want to urge you also to think about the physically challenged children. In fact, these children are being hidden in homes. They are being hidden in homes. They don't even see sunlight. They cannot get access to education. So how can we address this issue? How can we mobilize our team, both Mheshimiwa, the work you do, how can we work hand in hand with other sectors within our county so that these children can come out? We can convince their caretakers, their parents, so that they come out, and we have a facility for them where they can also be taken care of,